Hello America, Mark Kelson here today, Guarantee RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon, to present to you this 2019 Newmar Bay Star Sport. What a great coach. This would be perfect if you're going over to the beach, you're going up to the mountains to hike or snow ski, you're going north to the wineries, or you're going south to the casino. There's an airport down here. Come on in and check these out. Let's see what it has to offer inside. This coach has beautiful colors in here. Nice chocolate interior with the beautiful contrast, and you have the table that pulls out right here, two chairs, two more back there underneath the bed, beautiful countertop, the TV's right across from it. So when you're sitting in this fold and tumble chair right here, which opens up very easily I might add, you just pull this open in about 10 seconds and boom, you got a nice bed. But when you're sitting here, you got the TV right across from you and you're not hurting your neck, for those of us like with bad necks like I have. Beautiful cabinetry, nice contrast, Newmar quality. You do have the accent lighting up here. Countertop is Corian with a stainless steel dual sink. Nice faucet, beautiful cabinetry again back here. You do have a microwave. That's Whirlpool with the Dometic full stove right there. Full extension drawers on a Newmar. Beautiful craftsmanship in these coaches. We got something beeping up going back here. What could this be? Oh, it's the refrigerator, which happens to be a two-door Dometic with a freezer and an ice maker inside. Just to the left, you have a space to put some food, and you have another space right here. Nice storage. Coming back here, you have a bathroom with a huge shower, beautiful lighting from up above. Nice room in there, again Corian countertop. This is a great coach. Coming back into the bedroom, features a king-size bed with the two windows on the side for ventilation. A rear window for ambiance or to see what you're backing into. This is a great feature right there. Full true king-size bed across from two wardrobes, a bank of 5 drawers down below, and the TV for entertainment when you're trying to go to sleep. Exit window right here too. Well, let's go up and see what it has to offer in the cockpit. This is a beautiful coach. Flooring throughout, easy cleanup. Look at the interior, flex steel seating on the Ford chassis. You do have backup camera on this. This particular Sport does have side cameras also, with a lot of space up here for storage. Here's your backup camera. You have navigation, it appears right there. Your radio, everything you could want right there. You do have a shade right here that comes down at the push of a button. Won't come down in the event you're driving. It won't come down all the way, which is kind of convenient. You have the utility fans up near it to get all that condensation off that huge window. Over here you do have the electric levelers, your generator start, your fans right there, your booster for your battery, all kinds of stuff, cruise control at the touch of a finger. This is a neat little feature right here. So the co-pilot's over here. Put maps on there, whatever you need to do. Well, let's go outside and see what it has to offer outside. So this Bay Star Sport, beautiful colors. You got a maroon, cream, and a bronze color. Now, this Sport is sporting full body paint. Very nice unit. You have the flush mount windows right there. You have storage underneath. This has a lot of storage in it. Listen to how solid those are when they shut. Again, more storage right here. You have a water tank down under there, so you can access your water tank if you need to for any reason at all. Automatic awning, which is huge. So you pull it out, you have your patio here, you got your friends over. That is so fun. More storage back here. So this will feature a 5500 watt Onan generator, So that means you have 2 air conditioners on top on this coach. It is 32 feet. So it's very nice. And also, in this one, you'll see it goes up and over to the other side. So for those long items, you know, skis, whatever you have, they will facilitate housing those items right there. Now, one cool thing is that on a Newmar, the slide outs integrate into the side panel of these coaches, and that allows for a more stable coach, less susceptibility to leaking, and it's just an overall better build in a coach. You do have the rear ladder accessing the top, get to your air conditioners, your seals, whatever you need to do. The camera is also up there, and you have your tow receptacle right there. Now coming over here, it does feature a 50 amp service, so you got the cord that you need to get any power into the coach that you need. Again, more storage. You're looking at the sewage drain in this, so it goes down through the bottom of this compartment. Very easy to get to. Coming up here, you have a winterization tube, more storage, and again, your storage. No lack of storage on this coach, that's for sure. Propane tank. There's your side cameras. Again, right here in Oregon, I invite you to come out. There's an airport 10 minutes down the road. Everything else is an hour away. A lot of stuff to do in this state. So if any of these coaches on our lot, you know, suit your fancy, please feel free to give me a call. Mark Kelson, 541-285-8791, or the number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much for watching.